Should you rent or should you own? This right now is something I've been wanting to do for a little while, so I just want to show you. I'm not going to sit here and make a post and say, oh, you should rent or no, you should buy, none of that. Let me show you, as close to exact as I can. How about that? So let me help you out here. So this example is in a $350,000 home, and then versus what you pay for rent right now. So a 2-bedroom apartment right now in Tampa Bay. Now, average realtors, correct me, put it in the comments section. I want to hear it. What I'm seeing is $2,400. That's right. My daughter right now, her rent is going up $400 or $500 already. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. Okay, so I'm just using this as an example right here, and this is a house right now. Right now, oh, by the way, disclaimer, mortgage and PMI only, because taxes and insurance will be different for every home. So I just want to put that out there. Conventional loan versus FHA right now. 3% down, 5% down, 3.5% down, 5% down. This is about an average of what we're looking at in this market right now. Just average. I'm not going to say credit scores. I'm not going to say interest rates, none of that stuff. Okay? Conventional loan, 3% down for a $350,000 house is what? $1,929. Less than that. 5%, $1,862. Still less than that. Let's go FHA. 2004. Well, still less than the 2,400. 5% down, 1959. Still less than the 2,400. I'm using $350,000 house to buy. I mean, to give you an example. A lot of you out there, if you're watching this video on replay or right now live, are complaining because you're saying, oh, you know, it's too expensive to buy a home. Too expensive to buy a home. So why should I buy a home now versus waiting and all that? Well, I'm glad you brought that up. Let's talk about the cost of waiting right now. So these numbers right down here, I hope you can see it. 2021, if you bought this house last year, your monthly payment for 3% down was $1,683. Of course, mortgage, PMI only, taxes and insurance are different for every home. $1,683. Oh my God. Wait, you're paying $2,400 for rent. So it's more expensive to buy a home right now? What am I missing here? Okay. But you waited, right? So now in 2021, you went from $1,683 to $1,929 because you wanted to wait. And then FHA was $1,780 for the same house, and now you're at $2,004. Now, I can't predict the future because if I could, I would win Powerball and get out of this crazy business that I'm in right now. But let's talk 2022. This year, say hypothetically rates continue to rise. That same home for 3% down is now $1,980 a month. FHA, $2,109. So we're talking about $100 here, a little bit more here. I mean, guys, you know who this video is for? I'm going to tell you who this video, all this is for. This is for you out there that are listening to people that never owned a home before. Okay? Or you may have parents, uncles, brothers, sisters, nieces, whatever, that purchased a home over 3 years ago. The market changes daily, my friends. Daily. Okay? As you can see, this is what it costs to buy a home right now. So is it cheaper to own or to rent? You tell me, because here's the thing. You're going to be complaining about this every day. But if you own this, you'd be smiling every day. So, my friends, please pay very close attention to this model here. This is only an example. I'm not giving credit scores, interest rates, or anything like that. I'm just giving you like an average right here. So the cost of waiting will hurt you. We, in the real estate industry, the mortgage professionals, we are not here to hurt you. We're here to educate you and tell you what may be the best option for you to buy a home. So don't wait. Renting versus a home is a big difference right now. But I guarantee if you just speak to the mortgage professional like myself, 813-767-1887, my CTA, we will tell you what the difference is for your scenario. So take that into consideration. You want to keep paying $2,400 for rent, or you want to see how much you can really afford buying a home right now for $350,000 in the Tampa Bay area. Hey, listen, I'm just out here to provide you the information and show you what it takes to get into a home. Give me a call, okay? 813-767-1887. Pass this information along to your friends and family, right? Listen to the professionals. Don't just keep listening to Google and all that stuff, or the websites that give you the wrong information. And you know what I'm talking about. See you guys later.